Finish back-rolling jobs 4 times faster in one easy step with the industry-proven JetRoller System from Graco. Some surface and finish coat painting applications require back-rolling and a team of 2 or more people. With Graco's JetRoller System, one person can easily spray and back-roll 4 times faster than standard paint rolling, saving time and money with less preparation, minimal cleanup, and virtually no overspray. Simply position the spray tip directly below the roller. Pull the trigger to apply paint while allowing the roller to work the material into surfaces on the downstroke. Let go of the trigger on the upstroke to create a perfect stipple finish. Graco's JetRoller System is easy to use and versatile, with 3 separate tools in one to tackle every part of the job. Easily detach the handle for touch-ups, use as a separate spray extension, or combine both parts to spray and back-roll in one easy step. And the JetRoller System is industry standard compatible, so you can continue to use your favorite roller covers. 4 times faster, 3 tools, in one industry-proven JetRoller System from Graco.